right, so in this example, we're going to solve a quadratic, an equation that is in quadratic form. This is in quadratic form because we can do the following. We can let me pick u. Let's let u equal x squared. X to the fourth we can think of as x squared, multiplying the exponents, we get x to the fourth. This we can just write as plus 3x squared minus 10. And now when we let u equal x squared, we just, everywhere there's an x squared, we plug in u. So we get u squared plus 3u minus 10. And this is a quadratic equation, hence an equation in quadratic form. So this factors to, we need to figure out what numbers multiply to negative 10 but add to 3. Those numbers are 5 and 2, and we want a positive 5 and a negative 2. Again, they multiply to negative 10, but these numbers add to 3. So then we set each of these equal to 0 and solve. So when we subtract 5, u is equal to minus 5. Here, u is equal to 2. But u is x squared. So let me just say this here. So let me say, but u is equal to x squared. So when we substitute that in, these equations become x squared equals negative 5 and x squared equals 2. Applying the square root property, when we take the square root of both sides, we get plus and minus the square root of negative 5. And here we get plus and minus the square root of 2. Now, before I simplify here, notice there are 4 solutions, 2 here and 2 here. We would expect that because this is a 4th degree equation, and every 4th degree equation should have 4 solutions. Some of the solutions might be repeated, the same number repeated, but there are still going to be 4 solutions. So let's just write this in terms of I. So the square root of negative 1 is I. So this is I root 5. And here we have x equals plus and minus the square root of 2. So there's our 4 solutions to this equation.